Hey guys, an update on IonQ. So last video we were fighting with the point of control and the swing. We lost it now and oops. We dropped then significantly, we just took the low now here, and this potential move to the upside is now invalid. Also now this scenario becomes pretty unlikely, given that also we're already approaching this C wave box here. Okay, it's a very shallow B wave. Again, I just like it when we have more structure. Okay, I would love to see a 3-wave move in this B, but like seeing that here, identifying that here is difficult. Maybe if I zoom in, yes, but that's why we were leaning towards this. I'm gonna delete that for now. We could still pop to the upside, but because we've broken, we have to now focus on this box. Okay. I can delete this as well. So for this box here, again, we took this from, we drew this from taking the length of the A wave to the high of the B wave here. And with that, we have this box. This is the level here, but it doesn't mean it has to end here. Generally, a C wave likes to go to the 1-to-1, okay? This is a very shallow C wave if we end it here. Also, with this 1-to-1, we have the point of control of this range here. So, yeah, still the same as we said at 41.45. Watch this area if we go deeper. And then also, we broke below the trend line and below the point of control here. So we might go and retest it. It's not a must though. For maybe new viewers, let's zoom out a bit. We warned about this correction already, like here and here and here, because either it's this scenario with the triple 1-2, and then in this wave 1 we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5-wave moves complete, 5-wave move complete, and then this one as well. We could label this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well in a leading diagonal, meaning we have to correct all of this. Okay, and we said the risk is high here, and we're now getting that correction. It's been now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red weeks in a row. And maybe if we get here, we might finally get a more significant bounce, and then this could still be a larger A, B, C. Okay, unless it's a super bullish triple 1-2 here. This might already be it, and then we go higher. But still, we need to be aware as well of the other scenario that we have a 5-wave move, and that could lead to a more deeper correction. Okay, for now we're just putting this one on the chart. The fips that are important are these in white here, especially this 0.5 and this 0.618 level. Once we fall below these, then we have to switch to the other scenario, which is less bullish, but still ultimately we will look for higher prices, but it will just be a deeper correction because we have to pull the fips from here to here, and then it can take a longer time and deeper price action. Still too early for that now. Also on the weekly, we broke below this trend line I had. On the daily, let me just check the RSI. We're still far from oversold, so we could be pushing now towards this area here. Okay, also given that we had the small range here with the RSI, we broke now, so I expect it to go to oversold area, and that would mean price dropping more towards here. This is the zone of interest. I don't really think this level is gonna do much. And then this fib is here as well at 46.7, but it's still a weak fib. it's a 0.382. This one is the important one together with this, and then we have this significant point of control here and the 1-to-1 fib here. Okay, so maybe I can like add a green box. It's gonna be a big green box, but within this box we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 levels. Okay, and yeah, we could look for a more significant bounce from here. Not saying it's gonna go to all-time high then, but we can look at that once we get that bounce. Could do this then, or go to all-time highs. Okay, so again, we've warned about this since we were like doing this push. It's playing out now. Yep, I expected maybe a little bit of a higher bounce here, but ultimately I said we still want to see that move to the downside, because this is just way too short to correct all of this or all of this. Still, I own some of this stock. Yeah, down a lot now from here, but it's okay. If we get here, I might add a little bit more if we go deeper. Just when I see signs of strength, I can add a little bit more. I'm waiting for that, because yeah, quantum, I don't think it's gonna just fade away. It will be here and it will stay here, I think. But also you can see, yeah, if this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scenario, we had the highest volume here and then declining volume with a higher high. So there were enough signs suggesting a pullback here. So yeah, okay, a bit of a long video. Sorry, I talked a bit too much, but I think it was necessary to explain again that we can expect lower prices. And yeah, that's IonQ. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.